Hey YouTube, I wanted to share with you the extension hose that I found for the Harbor Freight electric pressure washer. So this is the hose right here. It is 25 feet long. It has M22 connections on both sides, and it comes with a M22 adapter. And this is the hose that came with the pressure washer itself, along with the gun. And yes, you can connect it to the extension hose right here by using this adapter. So to connect your old pressure washer hose to the new extension hose, the extension hose comes with the adapter right here. So all I have to do is just plug it into or screw it onto the old hose first. Honestly, it seems like one side is bigger than the other, so if it doesn't quite fit, then just flip it around and then it'll get on there. But you'll have to push them really tight together and then twist it on. Once that's on, get your extension hose, slides right in, and then just twist it on as well. Just like that. Then to attach the extension hose onto the pressure washer, all I have to do is just line it up against it and then twist it on. Perfect. Now for a little demonstration. Here's the gun. It's connected to the pressure washer, and it runs all the way along my driveway. So this is no pressure, just straight up running through the garden hose. Seems to be working just fine. And now I'm going to turn on the pressure washer. No leak in the connection at all. And there's no leak at the connection of the base. I hope this video has helped you. I've been looking for an extension hose for a while now, and I know I'm not the only one, so I wanted to share with you guys what I found. The link to where you can purchase this extension hose will be in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment or message me. Thanks for watching.